for the South Carolina and Georgia beaches. There is a moderate risk of rip currents. Savannah, area beaches. Sunday, sunny, high about 71. Monday, sunny, high near 72. Charleston, area beaches. Sunday, sunny, high about 69. Monday, sunny, high around 72. Myrtle Beach, area beaches. Sunday, sunny, high around 67. Monday,
Lake wind advisory in effect for my area. I live right here, Augusta.
70 degrees. The forecast for the Georgia and Carolina mountains. Clayton, Georgia, area mountains. Sunday, sunny, high around 66. Monday, sunny, high temperature around 76. Asheville, North Carolina, area mountains. Sunday, partly cloudy, high temperature around 61. Monday, sunny, high around 75. Boone, North Carolina, area mountains. Sunday, partly cloudy, high about 53. Monday, sunny, high near 68. The 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations. At Augusta Regional Airport, light rain was falling. The temperature was 55 degrees, the dew point 50, and the relative humidity 83%. The wind was west at 8 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.82 inches and rising. At Asheville, rain was falling with a temperature of 48. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 66 at Savannah and 52 at Charlotte. It was cloudy with a temperature of 52 at Athens, 48 at Atlanta, and 58 at Macon. Under cloudy skies, Columbia reported 56, Orangeburg reported 56, and Greer reported 50. At Charleston, it was fair, with a temperature of 62. The forecast for Augusta and surrounding areas. Lake wind advisory in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Tonight, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers this evening, then mostly clear after midnight. Lows in the mid-40s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Sunday, sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Sunday night, clear. Lows in the upper 40s. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour in the evening, becoming light and variable. Monday, sunny. Highs around 80. North winds around 5 miles an hour. Monday night, clear. Lows in the mid-50s. Light and variable winds. Tuesday, sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Tuesday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Wednesday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Thursday, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Thursday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Friday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. Chance of rain 40%. Friday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows around 60. Chance of rain 40%. Here's a look at the lake wind forecast for Lake Thurmond. Lake wind advisory in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Tonight, west winds 5 to 10 knots. Sunday, northwest winds around 5 knots. Sunday night, northwest winds around 5 knots in the evening, becoming light and variable. Monday, light and variable winds. Monday night, light and variable winds. The forecast for the South Carolina and Georgia beaches. There is a moderate risk of rip currents. Savannah, area beaches. Sunday, sunny, high about 71. Monday, sunny, high near 72. Charleston, area beaches. Sunday, sunny, high about 69. Monday, sunny, high around to 72. Myrtle Beach, area beaches. Sunday, sunny, high around 67. Monday, sunny, high about 72. Charleston Harbor water temperature 70 degrees. The forecast for the the Georgia and Carolina mountains. Clayton, Georgia, area mountains. Sunday, sunny, high around 66. Monday, sunny, high temperature around 76. Asheville, North Carolina, area mountains. Sunday, partly cloudy, high temperature around 61. Monday, sunny, high around 75. Boone, North Carolina, area mountains. Sunday, partly cloudy, high about 53. Monday, sunny, high near 68. The 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations. At Augusta Regional Airport, light rain was falling.